Our favorite Top That Trade players are good to go. Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor, and Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist of BullseyeOption.com, joining us from his place in the UP. Here we go, guys. Round number one. JIB, J-I-B, also stands for January in the books. After the January stock boom, what's in store for the rest of the year for the stock market?
Well, it wasn't just a January boom. It was a trifecta. We had a Santa Claus rally. We had the first 5 days of the year positive, and then obviously a great month of January. So we're seeing momentum on the move. And February, we're seeing a boom breakout as well. So a lot of positives here. Let's remember that we've got the dollar down, we've got the VIX down, we've got rates down, and stocks are up. So I'm still looking for more. I like where we are and how we've broken out above those recent highs from December.
I'm looking for more, but I'm also looking for more volatility, right? And, one of the things that I've been concerned with about this market, not the overall direction, because I feel very positive that it's up, but what is concerning me, of course, is the comments by global central banks, because I think they get concerned when the stock market does too well. We have a lot of Fed statements that come out that tries to poo-poo the market, and sometimes that backfires on us for the long term, but that also gives you an opportunity to buy breaks in this type of market.
All right, you see this? Don't listen, just watch, and watch the price action, and that's been very much a positive.
Round number two, where's the beef? Last week, we talked about the pop in cattle prices and the drop in chicken prices. McDonald's seems to be avoiding price problems. Where does that stock move next?
I think you have to look at McDonald's, and this is one of those stocks that you put into your portfolio and you just sit with for a long period of time. We think it's going to be in a long-term bull market. We do think there's going to be some challenges, but one that I like a little bit better is Yum Brands. I think Yum Brands, which owns, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Pizza Hut, that looks like it has more upside potential. And one of the things is that Yum Brands is very popular in China. So if we do get a reopening in China, Yum Brands might outperform McDonald's.
All right, McDonald's is sideways now between 260 and 280 for 3 months. That targets 300 on the upside. You said it. It's like a hamburger or a McNugget. It just never goes away. But if you look at the Dow, let's talk about the Dow, which was the leader before. The Dow is stuck between 33,000 and 35,000 now. For these last 3 months as well. A breakout targets 37,000. Guess what 37,000 is? New all-time highs. So that can buy you a lot of hamburgers. If you look at the Dow, it looks very, very positive.
Round number three, New Year cheer. There's no denying it. January was a great start to the new year. Pick a stock that you think will still profit.
I like WDC, which is Western Digital. It's right now at the midpoint of its range for the year, and you've seen the SOX index break out above this downtrend. Also in that same business, Intel. Intel's been between 25 and 30. It looks like it's trying to break out right now. It's at the half price level of what it was. Intel's not going to go away. It's had some bad times, but I think they can figure themselves out.
Some of the stocks that have done very well, of course, have been the energy stocks. Two that I really like I think could start outperforming is RIG, R-I-G, and Seadrill. These are two offshore oil drillers, right? And for years, offshore just wasn't profitable because we had too much oil. Guess what? It's back in vogue right now. So those stocks are probably undervalued to where the market is. And believe it or not, drilling offshore is a lot cleaner than drilling on land. So it's also more green than drilling in wells on land. So those stocks should do very well.
And the rigs, the demand for rigs has gone up dramatically. I don't know if you priced out a rig lately, but it's, $400,000 a day. So, they got to be getting some good oil to be doing that.
On to the bonus round question for today. McDonald's is having a moment in the market. A lot of people talking about that stock. You tell us, true or false, the adult Happy Meals pumped up McDonald's profit?
No.
In fact, I think that cost the CEO his job.
Well, I am not so happy to tell you you are both incorrect. But thanks for playing. You did a great job. Business First AM will be right back. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.